Hello, I'm Johnny and this is my YouTube channel. Oh, I've been messing around with my gimbal trying to get this out of the frame, but just can't manage it. I've been turning it this way, every which way. Anyway, so it's that time of the month again, Scrawlrbox, and I tell you what, it feels on the light side. And it's not bulging out like it was it last month, the month before? Yeah, but still. I hope it's got colour in it, because I can't be doing with grey again. So, I'll just open it up. At the bottom, I forgot to scribble my address out. But you can't see it anyway. There we go. Right. So, what does it look like just by looking at this? Does it look like marker pens? It does, doesn't it? And that is a tiger print. Oh, wonder if someone's drawn a tiger. So that's a Scrawler zine. Scrawlrbox is a monthly subscription box. I think it's $18.95, but I paid for a year just before the prices went up. And I think it was, how much? £15 a box. Bargain. Still a bargain. And this is the Scrawler zine you get. And, oh, that looks gorgeous, but we'll get to that in a minute. An eraser, Factus, from Spain. Sniff test. Doesn't smell of anything, but it's nice anyway. It feels, ooh, really smooth. Right, move these to one side. Oh, I just love that. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I still, it looks a bit like, oh god, I hope it's not pastels. Oh, just can't be doing my pastels. But on the magazine, it doesn't look like pastels. It looks like markers, but on this art print, it does. And I'm not going to turn it around to see who the artist is, because that might give away what's in here, and I want the surprise. So, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Right. So what's this? This is A5 toned drawing paper, 10 sheets, 115 GSM. Well, it's got no tooth in it, so it can't be pastels. Oh, that's, oh, really thin, and I thought it was going to be like card-like. Well, just assume because it was brown. But it's just really thin, and it's just brown paper. So I don't think it is pastels, because it hasn't got any tooth in it. And I suppose it would tell you on the front pastel matte or something like that. But not very exciting, that. But the artwork is really exciting. So let's get into this. Right. I don't want to rip this tissue, because do I have to zoom in? Because I will be reusing this. Let's have a look. There. So this sticker we get every month matches up with this, and yes, as you can see, it does. Let's see. So put that out the way, we don't want to spoil it. So what is this? It's a Unipin fine liner, water and fade proof pigment ink. It's brush, pen, extra fine. Oh, is that gold? Yeah. Never seen one with gold writing on before. Is it because it's a brush? Oh! Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen one like this before. Oh, it's really sharp. It's like a spotter paintbrush. Oh, let me have a look at this. Right. That's really, really fine. It is just like a paintbrush. I don't want to press too hard on it in case I ruin it. Oh, it reminds me of it reminds me of eyelashes, an eyelash. Oh, for fine detail. Yes, I like that. Very unusual. Might not be unusual to you, but it is to me. You know, what does it say here? Black. Well, yes. Mitsubishi pencil. What's it say? Made in Vietnam. Oh, yes, quite interesting that. EFB. Oh. Yes, I like that. Right, and here's the sweet, and I can't eat it because I'm on a diet. What is it? It's a swizzle. Oh, I've never heard of them before. Toffee. And I bet you it tastes really, really nice, but... save for me treat day. Yeah, save for me treat day. There we go. And this is a pencil sharpener. Oh, it feels like heavy duty. It's not heavy. Well, yeah, it is sort of heavy. Not dead heavy. It's like it has an industrial feel to it. I like that. And it's got a fat hole and a skinny hole. Oh yes, it's made by Statler. Oh yes, it reminds me of like industry, like factory pipes. Oh yes. Oh, I didn't think I'd have that much to say about a pencil sharpener, but I really like that. Gorgeous. Put that to one side. Now, what's these? The Artist's Choice, Derwent, Fine Art Pencils. Oh, well, that's a relief. There is a pastel pencil. No, can't be with that paper. Well, let's see. Derwent. Oh, God. Chromaflow. I've just bought some of these. A lady was selling a lot of art supplies she didn't want, and I got them at bargain price. Chromaflow. Yes. And I mean, they're alright, I guess. But I don't think they're artist grade. I think they're for beginners. Chromaflow. I was reading something about them, a tutorial, and it said they were like for someone who's beginning, ideal for a beginner. I mean, I am a beginner, but I have got loads of these. Oh, well. Anyway, I'll do the swatches. Let me see. Right, this is the white. Oh, yes. I don't think I got a white in the selection I got, but it is pleasing to see a white that you can actually see, but I suppose, yes, it is brown paper, so... And this is... Raisin. Raisin, it looks like I'll go in a bit. No, that wasn't. That looks like nut brown. Right. Oh, well, I've had two disappointing boxes, but it's not Scrawlrbox's fault, is it? They didn't know I was going to buy a lot of cheap supplies. Right, what's that? Black, isn't it? Let me see. Yes, it's black. And these pencils are pretty light. And They've got a black barrel, that's nice, and gold letterings. You can see it quite clearly against the black, golden sun. And on the ends they've got the colour of the pencil, which it's... oh well, yeah, it is similar. So this was the golden... well, you can't see that much. Oh! You can see it brilliantly when you're looking through the camera, so you'll be able to see it brilliantly on the phone, but I'm looking at it and I can't see that at all. Right, what is this? Basil brush. Well, it's a green. It's like a hooker's green, dark green. And this is foliage, so I wonder if that's like a sap green. Yes. Oh. Well, the colours are alright. I tell you, they look so much better looking through the lens than they do in real life. Right, so let's see. Get that tissue out the way and the box out the way. And the box. So this is what you get in the box. You get the pencils. I mean, if I hadn't just bought them from that lady, got quite a lot of them as well. If I hadn't just bought them and I just got these in a Scrawlrbox, I would be really, well, pleased. So you get these pencils and you get that crazy liner. Oh, and you get that. Oh, and I absolutely love this. There's the art print. So it did look like pastel. That's strange. That maybe it's because the white. Right. Let's see. Cecilia and Enchester. Sorry, Cecilia, if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, which I'm not. My name is Cecilia. I was born in Mexico City. I'm 21 years old and I'm an animation student and I'm not even going to bother pronouncing that either, in Mexico, at the UAD, Universidad de Arts, Digital Arts, basically. Since I was a kid, I wanted to work on something related to art because of my love of drawing. In the future, I want to work in an animation studio in the United States and also continue improving my art skills. Well, good luck to you, Cecilia. And that's Instagram and a TikTok. And that artwork is beautiful. So, what's it say? Walk on the wild side. Let's wander into the wilderness, taken... I think that's supposed to say inspiration. Inspiration from the month's featured artist. We're encouraging you to delve deep into the jungle kingdom of your imagination. Get creative with textures, colours, depths. Mark making and build up your fine line work to explore the wild side of your artwork. Well, this pen... where has she used that? I mean, the only fine line thing I can see on here is the whiskers. That's made by the white pencil, but I can't see where she's made really... oh, well, on the ear, really fine line, but... right, let's see. So I'll go a description of what you get. Derwent Chromaflow pencils ×6. These Derwent Chromaflow pencils guarantee bold, vibrant and saturated colour for any project. These pencils are wax-based, offering a rich, creamy laydown, specially designed to layer and blend in a smooth, velvety finish. You know, I never... right, let's see... Yes, they go down really well, but they feel a bit scratchy. Now I don't know if that is me. So this is layer 2. Maybe it's because it's not sharpened properly. That might be why it's feeling scratchy. Wow. Sharp. Right. So third layer. Yeah, that feels much better. Oh, see, I sharpened it too tight into too sharp of a point, and it snapped. Well, yes. Right, let's see, where are you, foliage? I'm not very good using pencils anyway, so I suppose other people trying this will be fabulous at blending and everything, but I am not. Well, they're just pencils. I've tried better. But I've got a huge... Well, a lot of them that I got were duplicates, so... But I never paid much for them at all. Well... They don't feel velvety. They are formulated with rich pigments that will show up not only on white papers but toned papers as well, even black. And the 3.5mm premium strength core ensures its durability during sharpening and during extensive use. Well, yeah, I must say that. I mean, that tip only snapped off because I'd sharpened it at too fine a point, but it's quite strong. Let me see, blah blah blah. During manufacturing process, glue is applied to the entire length of the pencil slat to make sure that the core stays in place and it's minimize any breakage that may interrupt your creative flow. These pencils are sure to provide expressive colour range for all your artistic endeavours. Well, let's have a look. Where's the one I sharpened? Is it this one? Let's see. Yes, I guess the glue works. It is scented. A5 tone drawing paper pad. Well, that's just boring, but read it. This toned and it's not textured. It's toned and it's not textured at all. It's smooth. Let's see. This is great for all-round surface that is suited for a myriad of mediums, including charcoal, coloured pencils, I wouldn't use pastels on that. They just slide all over the place. Chalks and more. These natural brown tone sheets will give your artwork an organic and rustic ambience, perfect for any elemental or earthy creations. Right, now it's this Unipin thing I was interested in. Extra fine brush black. This fade-proof and water-resistant pigment ink fine line pen is often a first choice amongst artists and designers. The brush tip is firm but flexible. See, now I didn't dare press down on it in case I broke it. So it will adapt seamlessly to any pressure, angle or speed that you use at it. Maybe I should try a bit more. Let me have a go. I don't want to break it. Let's see. Oh, well, yes. It's coming out thicker. Yeah, so you can put pressure down. No need to be fearful like I was when using it. Quite like that. That might come in handy for doing my watercolours. Oh, look at that. I like that. It's like whiskers. Do tigers have black? Well, some cats do. Do they have white whiskers or is it black? But, oh, I like that. I'm easily pleased. Right, let's see. So what next? Factis, this eraser. Oh, where's it gone? It's hiding under that magazine, and I've dropped me. Oh, I'll get that later. I've dropped my sticker on the floor. So this. Let's see what it says about this. The soft and flexible eraser is fantastic for gently lifting pigment and graphite from paper without damaging the paper surface, and it's designed to work on a wide range of delicate surfaces including tracing papers and films. This eraser will not leave any unwanted residue on your artwork, and it is a perfect companion to any pencil themed projects. Now, I wonder if it works on coloured pencil. Let's see. Yes, but you can still see. Is it? Do you see a residue? Or let's see. Give it a good old rub there. Let's see. Well, you can still see a shadow of where it's been. Now I will just get another pencil. Pause you for a second. Right, I've got a pencil. A normal pencil. Right, let's see how good you are, eraser. Use the other side. Oh, yes, quite good. Yes, and it doesn't seem to have damaged the paper. Yes, so it's an eraser and it feels really nice. Ooh. So there we go. That's what's in the box. Oh, this my favourite out of the box. This I can't get over this pencil sharpener. It's gorgeous. Right then, so the Staedtler metal double sharpener. The Staedtler durable metal sharpener is ideal partner to your chromaflow pencils, keeping them sharp and ready for your creativity. It features 2 holes that will cover a wide variety of pencil sizes up to 10.2mm diameter, and it also has an extra long gilding slot to prevent wedging or breaking, prolonging your pencil's lives as long as possible. Yes. Well, it's a piece of art, that. Gorgeous. Is there anything else? No. Right, just have a quick flick through the magazine. Yeah, so it just tells you about what you get in here. And there's Cecilia. Oh, look at her artwork, it's gorgeous. Cute little monkey there. Oh, I love that dart frog. Yeah, so I'll read that later with a cup of tea. Artist's advice on to use the pencils. I mean, I love Derwent products, they're really good quality. Oh, look at the artwork. This was this Between the Reef with that pastel palette what we had? Was it Between the Reef? The prompt, can't remember. I think it was because it's like a fishy. Yeah, and it looks like the same colours. And they're gorgeous. Oh, I love that. It's all brilliant, the artwork. Do I recognise anyone? Oh, yeah. I've just bought a box from her on an Etsy shop. Oh, well, congratulations. Who's this? Kitty Dog Star, no. Well, they're all brilliant. Oh, I love that one. It's don't know if you can see it. Plastic bottle submarine with some strange critter inside it. Oh, that's really good. Yes, colour theory. Oh, I know nothing about colour theory. Earth Day. Didn't know we had an Earth Day. Yes, so that'll be a good read later on. So that's what you get in the box. I love the artwork. And I mean, the pencils are okay, I guess. I will use them. And I just love that. The design, the weight, everything. Gorgeous. And it was really fabulous sharpening that pencil. Yes, I do like that. Never used anything like that before. It's quite good. And that works alright. So, yes, it was an alright box. Would have been much better if I say I hadn't had these already, but... And I will try the prompt, and I may show you at a later date. Anyway, thank you for watching. Signing out. See you, bye!